How to crop image in Figma. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to crop image on Figma. Figma is a website or an app where you can design. You can do your design, whatever design you want to do. If you want to design a display picture, a birthday display picture, or whatever design you want to do at all, you can do them on Figma. So today I'll be teaching you how to crop image in Figma. So the first thing you need to do is you log on to Figma using your PC, and once you're done, you make sure that you've signed in already, or you've created an account of Figma. So once you're done, this is the page that will be displayed on your screen. Here you can see a lot of icons. Here you see the arrow icon, you see the image icon, that's the shape icon, that's the shape tools. You see the creation tools, that's at the top left corner of your screen. You see your creation tools too. You see your text icon. You see the resources icon. You see the add tools. You see the add comment section, and so on. You also see the space for titling your work here, and at the right corner of your screen, the right top corner of your screen, you see share. You can share your design with your friends or with your clients. And at the right side of your screen, you also see options like design. You see the page, you see the quality, you see the local variables, you see the local styles, you see export and all. So now to learn how to crop image in Figma, you go back to the top left corner of your screen where we have the arrow, we have the shapes tools. So you click on the shape tools, then a drop down will be displayed on your screen, and on this drop down you have several shapes. You have rectangle, you have lines, you have arrow, you have polygon, and so on. So you just click on rectangles. Okay, so once you click on rectangles, you're going to left click and drag it for the rectangle to be displayed on the screen. You can do it as, if you want it to be big, you can make it big. If you want it to be small, just make sure it suits suits your size that you want. So at the right side of your screen, you see design, you see the design section, you see the layer section, then you see the view section. Here you're gonna click on the view under the view section, you see a box for the numbers and alphabet. You click on this box. Once you click on it, a drop down will be displayed on your screen, showing you colors, shapes, and all that you want to add. So you just simply click on custom. So now you've added your shape, and that's it. So once you're done with that, so you move to the next icon. At the upper part of the drop down, you see gradient. You see the first one, you're going to see solid, and the next one is gradient. Then the next one is image. You click on image. That is the third icon on the upper part of the drop down. You click on it, then a block image will be displayed on your screen. That's in the rectangle that you already drawn out on your screen. So once you've done that, you would move to the image that is appearing on the drop down here. Just look at your screen. So you move to it, you see the option choose image. You click the option choose image. The option choose image is at the center of that block image. So once you've clicked on it, several pictures that you have already will be displayed on your screen. So you can just make a choice. You can scroll down till you see the one that suits you. So once you've seen the image that suits you, just click on it. Just click on the image that suits you, and once you're done, you go down the drop down, click on open, so it will be displayed in the triangle that you've drawn already. And you go back to the upper part of the drop down. After these boxes that we have, the solid, the gradient, the image, and so on, move down to the next section where we have fill. You see an arrow facing down. You click on this arrow, then a drop down will be displayed on your screen, showing you several options under fill. We have fit, we have crop. So you click on crop. So that is once you've clicked on crop, you cancel the drop down and you back to the rectangle that you first time drew. So here you can take your cursor to the edge of the rectangle and just, if you want to make it wider, you can make it wider. If you want to crop it to be smaller, you can do that. Then if you want to crop the image itself, you can do that as well. So you can just make it smaller, bigger, or anyhow you want it according to how it suits you. So this is simply how to crop image in Figma. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.